Let's dive into Pi Network, a crypto project that's had millions tapping their phones since 2019, quietly building a global community unlike anything the crypto world has seen before. From college students to working professionals, people everywhere have been drawn in by the promise of mining digital coins with nothing more than a smartphone and a few seconds of daily effort. For years, users mined coins they couldn't spend, watching their balances grow but unable to use them in the real world. The app became a daily ritual, a small hope for the future, even as skeptics questioned whether these coins would ever have value. It was a bit like collecting points for an airline with no planes, an exercise in patience and faith, with no guarantee of a payoff. Yet, the community kept growing, united by the dream that one day their digital coins would mean something. The promise was simple but powerful. One day, those Pi coins would be worth something real. That hope kept millions engaged, checking in daily, inviting friends, and building a network that spanned continents. Now, in 2026, after years of anticipation and countless rumors, that day might finally be near. The excitement is palpable, and the community is buzzing with renewed energy. The reason for the hype? A possible listing on Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange, a move that could instantly transform Pi from a speculative project into a real player in the crypto market. For Pi's massive community, now over 60 million strong, a Binance listing is more than just a milestone. It's the ultimate validation of years of belief, effort, and persistence. It could turn years of daily taps into real value, finally allowing users to trade, sell, or spend their Pi coins. For many, it's the moment they've been waiting for, a chance to see their patience rewarded. Pi's user base is now bigger than Spain's population, a testament to the project's global reach and the dedication of its members. Their collective hope has fueled years of speculation, debate, and excitement. With Pi now trading on smaller exchanges like OKX and Bitget, rumors about a Binance listing have reached a fever pitch. The possibility of mainstream adoption feels closer than ever. For many, this isn't just about crypto, it's about finally cashing in on years of faith, patience, and community spirit. It's about proving that their belief in Pi was not misplaced. The world is watching to see if Pi's long wait will finally pay off, and whether this ambitious experiment can truly change the landscape of digital currency. Why does a Binance listing matter so much? For many in the crypto world, it's the ultimate validation, a sign that a project has truly arrived. Binance isn't just any exchange, it's the largest and most influential in the world, often setting the tone for the entire industry. It's like a local restaurant suddenly getting global fame. Everyone wants a taste. Imagine a small eatery featured on a world-famous food show. Overnight, it's packed with new customers and the buzz is unstoppable. For crypto, this means three things: visibility, liquidity, and credibility. These are the pillars that can make or break a digital asset's future. Binance's hundreds of millions of users put Pi in front of a global audience overnight. Suddenly, Pi isn't just a project for early adopters. It's accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. That kind of exposure can spark massive new interest in buying. Investors who never considered Pi before might now see it as a real opportunity, driving up demand and excitement. Liquidity is next. Binance's deep markets mean you can buy or sell Pi easily, attracting serious investors. High liquidity also helps stabilize prices, making Pi less vulnerable to wild swings and manipulation. And then there's credibility. Binance's listing process is a stamp of approval. It signals to the world that Pi has passed rigorous checks and is ready for the big leagues. For Pi, which has faced years of skepticism, this could silence critics and legitimize the project. It's a powerful message to both the crypto community and the wider public. It's not just a technical milestone, it's a cultural one for the community. The sense of achievement and validation can unite and energize pioneers everywhere. A Binance listing could transform Pi from a niche experiment into a recognized digital asset, opening doors to partnerships, integrations, and mainstream adoption. For pioneers, it's the "I told you so" moment they've been waiting for. Years of patience and belief could finally pay off in a big way. The stakes are huge, and the impact could be game-changing. A Binance listing isn't just another step, it's a leap into the global spotlight. That's why the buzz is so intense. For Pi and its community, this could be the moment that changes everything, turning dreams into reality and speculation into history. Binance isn't a free-for-all. They have strict, secretive standards that only a handful of projects ever meet. Getting listed on Binance is like being invited to an exclusive club, where only the best and most trustworthy coins are allowed in. Think of it as the world's toughest nightclub, with a bouncer who checks your credentials, background, and even your intentions before letting you pass the velvet rope. If you don't measure up, you're not getting in, no matter how much hype you bring. Hype isn't enough. Binance wants strong fundamentals. They look for projects that have real substance, not just flashy marketing or empty promises. First, a functioning open mainnet is essential. No training wheels, no closed systems, and definitely no test nets pretending to be the real thing. Binance wants to see that your technology actually works in the real world. The blockchain must be decentralized, secure, and accessible to all. If your network is controlled by a handful of insiders, or is vulnerable to attacks, Binance won't even consider it. Next, transparent tokenomics are a must. Clear supply, fair distribution, and no hidden whales lurking in the background. Binance wants to know exactly who owns what, and how coins are distributed. Binance avoids coins where insiders can dump on the market. If a few people hold most of the supply, that's a red flag for manipulation and unfair trading. Real utility and demand are essential. Speculation alone won't cut it. Binance wants coins that solve real problems, have active users, and are actually used in the real world, not just traded for quick profits. Finally, regulatory clarity is a must. If your project is in a legal gray area, or if there's any risk of running afoul of regulators, Binance will steer clear. Binance won't risk legal trouble for a new coin, no matter how promising it seems. They need to be sure everything is above board and compliant with global regulations. Any hint of regulatory issues, and your application is out. Even a small compliance problem can get your project rejected instantly. Only projects that check all these boxes get through the door. It's a high bar, but it's what keeps Binance's reputation strong and its users safe. For Pi, meeting these standards is non-negotiable. If it wants a shot at Binance, it must prove itself on every front: technology, transparency, utility, and compliance. So, how does Pi measure up? The mainnet is still in an enclosed phase, not fully open to the world. Binance wants a public, permissionless blockchain, and Pi isn't quite there yet. Until the network is fully open, it's a deal breaker. Tokenomics is another sticking point. The total supply is huge, but the exact distribution is unclear. Lack of transparency about who holds what and when coins unlock is a red flag. Many users haven't completed KYC, so their coins are stuck, making the real circulating supply uncertain. If millions suddenly gain access, the market could be flooded. Binance needs clarity on supply and distribution before moving forward. Without it, Pi's listing chances remain slim. Here's the big risk: sell pressure. Millions mined Pi for free. If it lists on Binance, many will rush to cash out. That could overwhelm buyers and crash the price. Token unlocks for the team and early investors could add even more coins to the market. If too many coins hit exchanges at once, it's a recipe for chaos. Binance doesn't want a coin that collapses on day one. They'll likely watch how Pi performs on smaller exchanges first. Only after the initial storm passes will they consider rolling out the red carpet. Stability is key for a successful listing. But it's not all doom and gloom. Pi's massive, engaged community could absorb some of the sell pressure. If enough holders believe in the project, they might hodl instead of selling. A Binance listing would also attract new buyers, adding fresh demand. Real-world utility is crucial. If Pi can be used for apps, shopping, or services, people have a reason to hold. Strategic partnerships, like with Sign Protocol, boost credibility and use cases. The battle will be between early sellers and true believers. If the ecosystem grows, Pi could shift from speculation to real value. The potential for a breakout is real, if the fundamentals hold up. With Pi and Binance staying quiet, AI models have weighed in. ChatGPT is cautious, giving Pi a 25–35% chance of listing, citing mainnet and tokenomics issues. Grok and Perplexity are more optimistic, at 40–50%, pointing to Pi's huge user base and new partnerships. Gemini is the most bullish, calling it a coin flip at 50%, arguing Binance wants access to Pi's massive community. The consensus? Pi has potential, but only if it fixes its core issues. Hype alone won't get it listed. The business case is strong, but fundamentals must improve. It's a waiting game, with the odds slowly shifting as Pi evolves. For Pi to get listed, there's a clear checklist. First, open the mainnet, no more closed systems. Next, publish transparent tokenomics, who holds what, how coins unlock, and the real circulating supply. Build real-world utility, apps, services, and partnerships that make Pi useful. Address regulatory concerns head-on, ensuring compliance in major markets. Only with these steps can Pi move from speculation to legitimacy. Binance wants blue-chip projects, not mysteries. The roadmap is tough but clear. If Pi delivers, a listing is within reach. Until then, it's all potential, not promise. So, what happens if Pi lands on Binance? Expect wild volatility. Early miners will sell, but the community could hold strong. The price may spike, then drop, before finding its footing. Pi's long-term success depends on building a real ecosystem, not just riding hype. The first days will be a tug-of-war between quick sellers and true believers. If Pi delivers real utility, it could stabilize and grow. A Binance listing isn't the finish line. It's the starting gun. The world will be watching to see if Pi can turn hype into lasting value. With a massive user base and a clear path, the opportunity is huge. But only execution will decide if Pi becomes a crypto giant or just another flash in the pan.